Guys, this is Random Bros BB gun aiming challenge. We're gonna hang a card up on the washing line, and you got to try and hit it. If you miss, nothing happens. But if your opponent hits it, you have to take a shot from them
to the back.
To the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how powerful this gun is. Shooting it for a can. It's loaded, even though that's the second one. Just see there. Just teared straight through it, and you can hear the can inside.
The bullet, yeah.
The bullet inside. Yeah, shit, brother. Right, guys. So let's go.
You go first.
Rock, paper, scissors goes first. Rock, paper, scissors. You go first. That's how you sort things. Right.
Oh!
Clip the side of it.
They should look sick.
I'm gonna die!
Oh, right on my spine, I'm right in the middle.
Really, it's like proper irritating.
If you start bleeding, you got a white shirt on.
Oh, I don't care, it's really irritating.
Right, let's
The
go.
back.
Go again, yeah.
No one gives a fuck. Free.
What?
That's alright.
This is rigged. This is rigged.
You obviously limited it twice.
Did I?
Oh, it's just above it.
Yes!
Hit the car.
Yes!
There. There.
Save.
Yes, nigga.
That's good.
Not yet. Well, it's a bit. Is that it?
Yeah, it does.
Good.
This is like
5, yeah.
Got it. There.
Did you see that? Did you see that? 3, 2, 1.
I caught that.
Huh?
I got that on it.
Oh, back.
There we go. That's how we do it.
one bullet.
One bullet too many. Tension.
Yes!
No.
I hit it.
Hit that, hit the peg, there's no marking it.
It's had 3 hits. Hits 1, hits 2, hits 3.
Got it.
So, nice filmers. 3, 2.
Bastard!
Wait, Jay, stay right there.
New card.
3, 1.
Missed that on camera as well, you got it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Reese. I'm a cock with a glove. Yeah, like a terrorist behind the border. Got it. 1, 3, 2.
Oh!
back.
got 1, 2, 3, and then 4.
There you go, there's the hole.
Wait, I didn't have a bullet. That was me. Oh, was close to that. Oh! Oh, then I'll take it.
I'm gonna go Pokemon style again.
Hey, drop your weapon now. Go then. 3, 2, 1.
Blast off.
Why am I doing this?
Got it.
I'll get a shot with yours if you got shot. Swapping after this or not? Wait, what did you get?
Ah!
Did it hit?
Hit the peg.
Now, is this the start of a round or?
Oh, straight in the middle. There enough. Fucking water.
Hi guys, cheers for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, in this video featured John Hargreaves,
Gay!
Reese Turner,
What a gimp!
there you go guys. If you like this video or you want to see more of us, subscribe, you can hit the like button, tell us what you think, and also if you want to find the guys' Facebooks or Instagrams or anything down below, Stevo, Mr. Big Cock, Stephen, whatever it is, Stephen or Stevenson. Twitter, Instagram allowed us to have it, so we're pretty jolly with that. And just to make this clear, Josh made it himself. Jay didn't make it, it was all Josh. So yeah, cheers for watching this video guys. Part 2 will be up shortly. Just editing it. So yeah, cheers for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, whatever. But cheers for watching guys. Take care, see you next time. Don't forget, this video included me.
A sexy bitch.